Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to share with you. We'll be diving into the latest update on how to create a Google My Business account in 2023, so you can boost your online presence and connect with customers like never before. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, then keep on watching. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's talk about why having a Google My Business account is so important for your business. With billions of searches happening every day, having a strong online presence is crucial. Google My Business allows you to be more discoverable and visible to potential customers in your local area. Step 1. The first step is simple. Go to Google My Business, and if you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. And sign in your Google account. Once you're there, now click on the Manage Now button. Step 2. Type your business name. And click Continue. Step 3. Choose your business type. If you want to reach a product customer through website, then click on the first one. And if so, the customer comes to your store and buy the product, then select the second number. And if you have to go to the customer's house to provide the service, then select number 3. Once your business type is selected, then click on the Next button. Step 4. Enter the URL if you have a website, otherwise skip. I am taking a website URL. Click on the Next button. Step 5. Select your business category. I want to select shopping mall. Click Next. Step 6. Enter your business location. Select your country and write street address, city, and postal. Now click Next. Click Next. Step 7. Add your phone number and click Next. Click Continue. Step 8. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, you'll need to verify your business. Google wants to ensure that your business is legitimate and that you're the real owner. There are several verification methods available, such as phone code, email code, and business video. I want to select phone call. And click Next. If you want to change this method, click the Change Option button. Otherwise, click Next. Step 9. Now a call will be made on your mobile and a secret number of 6 digits will be told. Now it's time to enter your verification code. Enter your 6-digit code and click Verify. Congratulations! Now that your account is verified, it's time to optimize your profile. Add eye-catching images, an engaging business description, and don't forget to include your business hours, products, and services. This will help customers understand what you offer and when you're open for business. You've now mastered the art of creating a Google My Business account for 2023. This powerful tool will elevate your online presence, attract more customers, and boost your revenue. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your Google My Business account right now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your business in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.